So I just had a phone call. Somebody wanted to pay me something in Bitcoin for something or other, but I don't really have the sort of means with what they wanted to do. So they've got a Lightning wallet, and obviously we've heard about Lightning Network and all of that, but I haven't actually done anything with it or looked into it really. I've heard it's like fractions of payments, and I was just speaking to them on the phone because I was thinking of just getting them to pay into my Binance account. But if somebody pays me in Sol or whatever, it's going to cost like equivalent of about £1 or $1 or whatever to transfer, and nobody's going to want to do that. So they mentioned this wallet of a Satoshi, okay, which is on the Google Play Store. And so here I am just downloading it. So Wallet of Satoshi, it's got a little lightning symbol here, 100,000 downloads, verified by Play Protect. 8 megabytes, so it's not very big. Wallet of Satoshi, and I'm just going to open it eventually. So welcome to the world's simplest Bitcoin Lightning wallet. Happy Bitcoin. Start. So here you can receive or send Bitcoin. Okay, it's in sats. So this is how many sats I've got at the moment, which is obviously 0. So here, I'm guessing this is now my Lightning address. Okay, and you'd scan that code in and you'd be able to send me Satoshis. And the fees are really, really cheap. And so this is what's known as off-chain. And then you can actually go on-chain if you click this button here, which I do eventually. Okay, so that would be my QR code. So if they want to send me on-chain, there's going to be a 0.3% fee for accepting Bitcoin doing that way. So obviously that's more expensive. So everyone's going to obviously send via the Lightning network. And then if you want to and then you can sort of spend it, or here you'd have to sort of put it on chain and then sell it on a SEX or whatever. They've also got this Lightning address, which I'll go to eventually. Okay, so you'd like an email address, but for your Bitcoin. So what you can do, so this is obviously their email address and their wallet. So you don't want to send it to their account. So I'm guessing you could have your own email address with your own code. I don't think that's going to be mine, or maybe it is. Maybe that's been created, but I think that's probably someone else's. So you've got a Lightning address and an on-chain address, and it seems very, very simple. When you're sending, you get a QR code. So if you go to a supermarket or something like that, then you can just get a QR code, scan it, and pay with Satoshis. So it's all coming, isn't it? It's all coming. I think you can use Bitcoin as a payment mechanism. It seems quick. So there you have it. Lightning wallet, Wallet of Satoshi.